Hello everyone, this is Anna from Lexingby Journal. Thank you so much for joining me today for this new project of mine for the Graphics Fairy design team for the month of February. Today we're going to enter a world that is very uplifting and completely different dimension, and that is the world of the fairies. So this journal is dedicated to the forest fairy, and as you can see, I have got this as a gateway to the fairyland, and I've added this label here with some moss and a little fairy. The spine has got these mythical creatures, a unicorn. It feels like you're looking at this image through a keyhole, and it creates some sort of a mystical, magical feel about it. And the edges here are just bursting with all sorts of different things from the fairy realm, and they're fairy wings and butterflies and little fairies, greenery and feathers and some lace and some greenery here. So yes, and I've got these little brads there. So let's have a look inside. The back is rather plain, not much there. It's the green and the blue and gold. And so I've also added gold around the journal, as you can see. Okay, so let's have a look at it inside. So the end papers, I have used these end papers, and this one is a very nostalgic sort of burnt pink. And the end papers here are the same in blue, the same image in blue. And the first page, the cover page, is Forest Fairy. So it's a bit like reading a fairy tale and opening the first page. And there is a fairy. There will be the journal is just filled with fairies and magical elements. So this is what you're going to be seeing. And there's a fairy tree here. Little fairies. This is like a little disc that I've added a brad on, and it circulates, and I've got a few of those. And I've got different quotes on from different bundles. These are some delicate end paper washes that I've added onto the edges. And there's another fairy here, and I've used this as a pocket, and I've printed it on thicker paper, and also I've added all the wings, which is very easy. They were very easy to add. They were just I just allowed this white, the middle part, and I use this clip here, so it goes in very well and very easily. So there it is. And there's a bit of a blue landscape, a fairy landscape here. It's just so mystical with the full moon. There's another disc. And some lace. And there's another pocket and some ephemera. And some fairy wings here. There's another disc from a garden bundle. Some more fairies ephemera here and in the pocket. There's some bunting with some gold thread there. And a tree. So I created this little window. More butterflies. And end papers, washi end papers, another corner here, corner pocket. This is a beautiful image from a garden bundle. More wings, butterflies around, and more ephemera. This is a little file folder. and some more images here. I made an assemblage here. This one is from End Papers, and this is a mini file folder which is I've attached, but one can slip things in, little secret things, and another fairy here. And this is a design of a garden. And there I've attached a blue-green feather. Here, some more washi, another little pocket here with a mini folder again, and it's a real one, so you can use it. And I've attached with the washi, with some washi, this leaf, and I've got the design there, and there's some more of that paper there, and there's more washi. I can't think of a washi that suits this theme more. These washies, they're just, the delicate end paper washes just go well with almost everything, but this theme, yeah, this is a garden table set, and it's very pretty and very fairy-like. There's another one of these quotes, and a fairy tab, and some more bunting. And there's a lovely blue fairy here with some ephemera, again printed on thicker ivory paper. And another folder, another little window, and a beautiful scene, very fairyland scene. Another tab, some music, of course, music paper, and there's another piece of ephemera, zoological lectures. This is printed out so beautifully. The colors are so amazing. Another little froggy there. Another fairy, and this is the mythical creatures landscape. And this is a card I printed out again on thicker paper. And a piece of ephemera here. And there's another one, which I love. More fairies everywhere. Ah, she's so sweet. And here she's contemplating, what naughtiness am I going to naughtiness. There's another little title page, Fairy's Dream, and a beautiful cover page here. Another fairy. There's a secret little pocket here in the corner, and again, pockets are all printed on thicker paper to make them obviously safer to use. Another fairy here, and her red gold wings, and I've added these fairy wings here, and these fairy wings match this fairy's wings. More bunting. Another card. Garden. Another piece of ephemera and some fairy wings, and this is another card. So lots of cards in the journal to be used. And the end with the ex libris here. So this is the journal. I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and I hope you it transported you to this realm, this fairyland realm, which is a place that I'm sure most of us would love to visit and enjoy. The only thing is that once you enter fairyland, you lose a sense of time, so one has to be very careful. But I'm sure you won't lose the sense of time when you have your journal. So have a lovely rest of your day, and thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourselves, and lots of love from me. Bye bye.